Let's take a look at this problem. We got f of x is equal to the square root of x minus 3 over x plus 1. And we want to find f of 4, and we'll also want to find f of 8. Well, evaluating the function. You go through, and everywhere you have an x, you put in a set of parentheses. Everything else remains exactly the same. So notice the square root's there, the numbers. I just replace the x's with parentheses. Now, whatever's inside parentheses right here is automatically what we're going to put in right here. So put 4 there, 4 there. Well, 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now, we can't have a fraction inside of a square root, so we'll split it up. We'll put a square root around the top, and we'll put a square root around the bottom. Well, square root of 1 is 1. We got another problem. We can't have a radical in denominator. Remember, when it's a square root, to get rid of that square root, you just multiply the top and bottom by that square root. So since this is square root of 5, we'll multiply the bottom by square root of 5, and wherever you multiply the bottom, you have to multiply by the top. 1 times square root of 5 is square root of 5, and square root of 5 times square root of 5 gives us 5. When the square roots are the same like this, and they cancel away, just give you a single 5. Okay, f of 8. We're going to go through our function, and wherever we have an x, we'll put in a set of parentheses. So we've got parentheses minus 3 over parentheses plus 1. Now, whatever is inside the parentheses right here is automatically what goes in these parentheses. So put 8 here and 8 here. Well, 8 minus 3 is 5. 8 plus 1 is 9. Now, we can't have a fraction inside of a square root, so we'll split it up. Put a square root around top and square root around the bottom. Well, can't have a square root in the denominator, but I can simplify that a little bit. 9 is 3 times 3, like that. And now, once I've started simplifying, I see something nice is going to happen. The square root, we're looking for a pair of somethings. Here's a pair of 3s, so they're going to come out in front as a single 3. So we get square root of 5 over 3. Now, we don't have to do that little trick we did in the previous problem, because this one worked out nicer.